I'm Princess Pinky, and you may have known me before from watching Let's Let Koda's videos. Just look at her channel and that's it. So you all know Maddie Mew. Yeah, you know her, yeah, okay. She's the host of all the LPS videos. But what if we wanted to make other videos? Like, Cactus Puffs, Monster High, or any other videos? Well, there's always a host for those different types. Like, you may not ever see Maddie Mew in any of his videos, because these are Cactus Puffs, where I am the host, Pinky. Okay. Let me show you all my friends.
Buddy, I really like to sleep. Sleeping is like my passion. I love catnip. Love it.
I'm Captain Dude, and I have like a peg leg and a parrot named Bob. This flag on my tail is like permanently stuck there. Scar. It's a battle scar, and it's like so cool.
I am Ned, and I am going to kill you in your sleep.
Next person, please.
I'm Bertino Jr. My dad looks like exactly like me. And I think it's so cool. It's so cool. Look at these skulls on myself. And it's like, I'm so cool. I'm like one of the main Cactus Pups, yeah.
Alright, I'm Albert, and I have a total degree to every school in the world. But I only accepted one, Cactus Kitty University.
Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.